Hello guys, how are you today? So today I'll be explaining the math algebra course practice of section 6.2. So they said, what is the sum of the first 20 terms of an arithmetic progression if its first term is 18 and its 20th term is 38? Very simply, you should know that the equation for sum, it is n over 2 multiplied by a1 plus an. So n is 20 divided by 2 times a1, which is 18, plus the 20th term, which is an, which is 38. So you will put it on your calculator and you're going to get an answer of 560. Let me just double check. So 20 over 2 times 18 plus 38. Okay, we will get an answer of 560. We'll move on to question number 2 here. This is very simply the first two terms of an arithmetic progression are 0 and 5 in this order. So as you can see, it is increasing by 5. So we can make it like this. The equation is a1 plus n minus 1 times d. So the common difference is 5. So it's going to be n minus 1 times 5 plus a1, which is 0. So very simply, the equation is 5 times n minus 1. So they need the third term. It becomes 5 times 3 minus 1. So 5 times 2, it's going to be 10. Fourth term is 5 times 4 minus 1. 5 times 3, 15. Fifth term is 5 times 5 minus 1. So 5 times 4, 20. And then the sixth term, it's 5 times 6 minus 1. So 5 times 5, it is then 25. So in order, they are 10, 15, 20, and 25. We'll move on to question number 3. B is an arithmetic progression with first term b1 equals to 8 and common difference d equals to minus 2. They need us to find the values of b5, b10, and b21. We need to make an equation. You should know that bn, it's equal to b1, which is 8, plus n minus 1 times the common difference d, which is minus 2. So, in this case, you could put b5, it's equal to 8 plus 5 minus 1 times minus 2. So, you will put it on the calculator and you will get an answer of 0. b10, it is equal to 8 plus 10 minus 1 times minus 2. Put it on the calculator, you will get an answer of minus 10. Okay, then you will put b21. It's equal to 8 plus 21 minus 1 times minus 2. You will put it on your calculator and you will get an answer of minus 32. So in order, it is 0, minus 10, and minus 32. We'll move on to question number 4. They said find the first 4 terms of an arithmetic progression with the first term equal to 6 and second term equal to 16. So first of all, to find the sum of the first 40 terms, we know it's going to be n over 2 times a1 plus an. We need to find an. So an, it is equal to what? It's equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times common difference d. So an, it is equal to a1, which is 6, plus n minus 1 times the common difference d, which is, so they gave us the first term and the second term, so it's going to be the second minus first. So it's going to be 16 minus 6, which is 10. So the common difference is 10. Now, you need to find the 40th term. So a40 is equal to 6 plus 40 minus 1 times 10. You will put it on the calculator and you will get an answer of 6 plus... You will get an answer of 396. So, if you want to find the sum, it's going to be 40. So, n over 2, which is 40 over 2, times a1, which is 6, plus an, which is 396. Put it on your calculator. And you are going to get an answer equal to 8040. We'll move on to question number 5. Evaluate the arithmetic series, meaning they want us to find the sum. Okay, very simply, to find the sum, again, it is n over 2 times a1 plus an. Let us find the value, first of all, of n. Because we are given what? We have a1, which is minus 5. We have an, which is plus 289. The only thing we need is n. How do we find the value of n? First of all, we need to make the equation. We will take these two. We will find the common difference. The common difference is 1 minus 5, so it's going to be plus 6. And now the equation is a1, which is minus 5, plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is 6. It is equal to what? It is equal to the last digit, which is 289. Move this to this side, you will get n minus 1 is equal to 289 plus 5, 294. And do not forget the times 6. So 294 divided by 6, you will get an answer that n minus 1 is equal to 49. Move minus 1 to the other side, so n is 50. And very simply, you will just substitute n over here. So it will become 50 over 2. So 50 over 2 times minus 5 plus 289. So you will get an answer which is 7,100. We move on to question number 6. In question number 6, they said, Sarah started working in 1990 with a monthly salary of 1,200. Each year, her monthly salary increased by $120. So they said Sarah's monthly salary increased, not how much it will become. It said it increased. So you need to find the increase, not how much it will become. From 2000 to 2010. I forgot how to read years. 2010. Okay, so subtract the years, 2010 minus 2000. You will get 10 years. So very simply, in 10 years, how much did her monthly salary increase? So it's going to be 10 years multiplied by the increase not per month, per year. So per year, the increase is $120. Pay attention to the wording. So it will be $1,200. So in 10 years, her monthly salary would have increased by $1,200. We move on to question number 7. In question number 7, okay, this is a very, very tricky question. Fill in the blanks with integers or decimals as convenient. So please pay attention how it is done. When they say the sigmoid function or the sigma function of n and then k is equal to 1, look what is going to happen. You're going to distribute the sigmoid function on this graph. So this takes sigmoid and this takes sigmoid. So it will become 5. So sigmoid 5k minus sigmoid 2. Now what you're going to do is you're going to treat the sigmoid as a separator. So this is 5 times k and this is 2 times 1. Always keep in mind that it's always times 1. So if it's alone, it will be times 1. So you will move this over here. Okay, you will always move the whole number to the other side. So now it will become 5 sigmoid function k minus, you will move the whole number to the other side, 2 sigmoid function 1. 1 is always gonna remain. Okay, so if you have a whole number, for example, sigmoid function 200, you will move 200 to the other side and it will become 200 sigmoid function 1. Okay, so now you're gonna take, I chose the wrong color, you're gonna take k as the function that will give us the sum. Okay, so what's the function that gives us the sum? It is n over 2 multiplied by n plus 1. So keep this always in mind. N over 2 multiplied by n plus 1. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to substitute the k by that. So it becomes 5 sigmoid function n over 2 times n plus 1. Alright, and you're going to substitute, always you substitute the 1 by n. So minus 2 sigmoid function n. So now you're going to remove the sigmoid function and you're going to treat them as multiplication. So very simply, it's going to be 5 times n over 2 times n plus 1, okay, minus 2n. So if you solve it even more, you're going to get 5n over 2 times 5n, or sorry, times n plus 1, okay, minus 2n. Then distribute it even more, you are going to get 5n squared plus 5 over 2, okay? And we don't forget the n, so 5n squared plus 5n over 2 minus 2n. Okay, so you're gonna do common denominator, so this becomes minus 4n over 2, and then you're gonna subtract and you're gonna get 5n squared plus n over 2. Then you simplify it, you're gonna get 2.5n squared plus 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5n. So very simply, it's 2.5n squared plus 0.5n. Now, they want us to find the value of this function. So very simply, we will find the value of n. How do we find the value of n? Again, we have to make the equation. Equation of arithmetic, it's a1 plus plus n minus 1 times common difference d. So a1 is 3 plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is 8 minus 3, which is 5. It is equal to 503. Bring 3 to the other side. Okay, so then you get n minus 1 times 5 is equal to 500. So then n minus 1 is equal to 100. So then n is equal to 101. And very simply, you will substitute n in over here. You will substitute the n. And you replace it. And you will get an answer of what? 25,553. We move on to question number 8. In question number 8, they said, let A be an arithmetic sequence progression with first term this and common difference this. Let B be another arithmetic progression with first term 5 and common difference 5. They need a value k. So AK is equal to minus 12 plus n minus 1 times 6. BK, it's equal to 5 plus n minus 1 times 5. Now, they need what? AK equals to BK, so you will equate them, okay? And that means very simply, minus 12 plus n minus 1 times 6 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 times 5. You will move this here, you will move this there. You will get very simply that n minus 1 is equal to 17. Bring this to the other side, n is equal to 18. So the common value is gonna be 18, okay? We move on to question number 9. In question number 9, they said, what whole number is equal to 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus whatever? Very simply, you need to find the value of n. How do we find the value of n? By an equation. The equation is a1 plus n minus 1 times common difference d. Okay? So a1 is 3 plus n minus 1 times common difference, which is 7 minus 3, which is 4. It's equal to 63. Bring this to the other side, you will get that n minus 1 times 4 is equal to 60. So n minus 1 is equal to 15, so n is equal to 16. And now you apply the following. It is n over 2 times a1 plus an. So it is 16 over 2 times 3 plus 63. And you will get an answer of 528. We move on to question number 10. What's the value of the common difference of arithmetic progression? They need what? The common difference. How do you find the common difference? You take this minus this. So 5 minus 2, you will get an answer of 7. So the common difference is 7. We move on to question number 11. They need the 31st term of an arithmetic progression if the first term is 6 and common difference is 10. Remember, an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times common difference d. So a1 is 6 plus n minus 1 times common difference d being 10. So they need, this is 10, they need 31st term. So a31 is equal to 6 plus 31 minus 1 times 10. You will put it on your calculator. So let us do it together. 6 plus 31 minus 1 times 10. You will get an answer which is 306. Okay? We move on to question number 12. Question number 12, they said, what is the sum of the first 18 terms of an arithmetic progression if the first term is 8 and common difference is 3? We know that the sum, it's n over 2 times a1 plus an. Let us find an. An is a18. A18 is equal to a1, which is 8, plus n minus 1. So in this case, it's going to be 18 minus 1 times the common difference 3. So 8 plus 18 minus 1 times 3, you will get an answer of 59. So it will be 18 over 2 times a1, which is not 6, it's 8, plus 59. You put it on your calculator, you will get an answer of 603. We move on to question number 13. This may seem tricky, but it's very easy. we know that it's an arithmetic progression. That means from 10 to y, it's plus x. And from y to 52, it's plus x. So that means from 10 to 52, it's plus 2x. So 10 plus 2x is equal to 52. Move it to the other side. 2x is equal to 42. That means x is equal to 31. That means the value of y is going to be 10 plus, not 31, my bad, 21. And you will get an answer of 31. So that's pretty much it for this quiz. Let's submit and hopefully there are no mistakes. And thank God there are no mistakes. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful day.